All right, so right now I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI image generator. So just go ahead and Google Canva, and when you go here, just going to log into your Canva account. If not, you can just create one. It shouldn't take too long. Use your Google account to do that. If you use your student account, you can get some limited options, right? It's not the same as if the paid subscription, but just go to create a design, then go to presentations. You can go right here to presentations, either one. Just click on that. Once this loads, you'll see over here on the left, you see where it says elements and you have these little shapes. You just click on that. Once you are here, you scroll down, and yours will look a little bit different than mine. But here it just kind of has, if you want to see what this looks like, you would just put that prompt in there and then click generate image. If you don't want this, you can put whatever you want to do. And then here you can choose the different styles. And so if you want to do something like this dreamy option, let's go ahead and do that. So here it's just thinking. There are other options that are free. I think Adobe Firefly is one of them. ChatGPT, I think, will give you some free ones. And so here you have the prompt, right? It had something to do with cats, a cute anime cat in a forest with flowers. So let's just go ahead. I'm just going to choose this one right here. And if you want to, make it bigger just to kind of get a better view of it, do that. All right. And so once you have your image, then you can go over here to share. And then you come down here to download. Make sure to save it as a PNG. You could do a JPEG here, but let's go with a PNG and then download it. And so here it's downloading. Once it's downloaded, y'all, whenever you want to find, you can't always just click right here to look for it and it'll pop up, or you can go to your file folder and it'll usually be like the very top thing under downloads. Right. So that is how you use AI image generator. And now just save after you save it to your computer, upload it to Formative.